Hey, all right. So far so good. You have been learned about the types of data type in PHP. In this video, you will learn what is a string in PHP. Okay, a string is a data type which is a sequence of character which is stored inside the single quote or double quote. That is called a string. Okay, we have some predefined function for a string in PHP, and for example, if we want to calculate the length of a string, or we want to count the word, or we want to reverse, or want to find the position of the word in the string, or we want to replace, or we want to convert the lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase, PHP provides pre-bold function. Okay, and we are using that one. Okay, then we will come one by one on those function, and we will see how we are using that function in our program. First, what we will do, how we are using the strling. Strling is a function which returns the length of the string. Okay, we will see you can do like this: str length of high. Okay, this is what is the length of high? It is 2. Come in your browser and refresh, it will display as 2. Okay, then you can pass a string directly, or you can pass a variable like name. See, 10. For example, in validation, you will check like this. Okay, if str length of last name, for example, is less than equal to 5, then you will say echo last name at least must be 5 character. For example, something like this. Mostly we are using this one for validation. Okay, we will do like ss. See, last name at least must be 5 character. Last name at least 5 character. Okay, or for like if for example, if we have a password, we are checking like the password length must be 8 character. Okay, then we can say like is the length of password less than equal to 8. Then we are doing our validation. This was about the str length, and in the what is the next function? The next function is str word count. Okay, we will do something echo dollar str word count. Okay, we will say dollar name. How many words is there in our name? We have, what is str word count? Okay, see what is, see 2, we have 2, and if you want to add some other word, it will count 3. Where we are using, for example, your requirement is that you are asking some topic to write from the user, and it must, at least it must be like 200 character 200 word. Yeah, maybe you see some requirement like that, then you will count the word of that text area. If the count of that letter or whatever they are sending is less than 200, then you will say your letter at least must be 200 word. Okay, then you will use str word count. Okay, the next function is str reverse. If this will reverse the string. Okay, we will see echo str reverse. Okay, of dollar last name, for example. See what it will do? It will reverse the string. Okay, the next one is like str position. Okay, we this is used to find the position of a word or character in the string. We will do like this. Comment this one. Okay, we will do echo str position. Okay, str position. We will say see, it will accept 2 parameter. Okay, one is string, and another one the position of the word. Okay, str position. We will in our name, what is we want to find the position of Ali, for example. We will check Ali. Okay, go see, it is on 7. Count, you can count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is space 7. And one more thing, remember this is counting from 0. Okay, Liaqat Ali is 6 character. Okay, and it is coming, L is 0. Okay, I is 1, A is 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6, and A is 7, and Ali is 7. Okay, it is displaying the 7. It was about the start position, how to find the position of character or a word in the string. Another is str replace. Okay, we will we want to replace, why we are using replace. For example, if someone is submitting a form and that form has a special character like slash or dot or something, okay, we will replace that one in our and maybe we will replace, then we will store. And for example, we will do something like this. Okay, we have our first name is Liaqat Ali, but our requirement is that to store in the database something like this. Okay, we will store something like this, Liaqat underscore Ali. Okay, we need to store something like this in our database, and we don't want to store with space. Okay, then what we will do, we will use str replace. Okay, and the syntax is str replace old word and with new word and in string. Okay, we will do like this, echo str replace. Okay, this one is like the first one is, see, the first one is old word. What we want to replace the space with what, with string, and what in dollar name. Okay, see what it will echo, see, Liaqat underscore Ali, but here was Liaqat Ali. Okay, this is was about the str replace. And the same thing we have like echo str to lower. Okay, we str to lower, we have like to print in lowercase, and we have echo str to upper. Okay, str to upper, it will print the or is into uppercase. For example, if you need to print somewhere and display somewhere the name or other variable in upper, then you will use str upper. Okay, we have many other pre-built function in string, and this was the most used one. Okay, you are using this linked and the word count, position, replace, lower, upper a lot, and you can search and you can learn about the other completely, but this one was the most used one. Okay, it was all about the pre-built function in string using PHP and how we are using that, and I explained to you the most important usage case of each pre-built function. And this was all about the string in PHP, and the next video we will learn about other types of data type in PHP. Okay, then see you on the next video.